welcome back to the channel. This is Ellie, right? And this is Gene. We're back at GNS Designs, and today we're going to take, what color is this?
White.
White colored Challenger, and we're going to take a 3M 1080 matte finish, and we're going to put it on its hood, and we'll put a little piece of it on the front bumper with 3M design line, so you'll be able to see Phil driving down the road, right? Are you excited? You ready to go?
Yeah!
All right, let's go.
We are resting. He's working on a car today. Someone else's car. And he's getting like vinyl. And he's getting magnets. A knife.
Yeah, I got a knife.
And he has a knife. And
Got knives, got magnets.
a magnet.
What else we got?
We got, what do you call it again? Vinyl.
Final, okay.
And he's putting vinyl on again. That's what I already said.
What's up, Brian?
Yeah, that's something else. That looks awesome. I mean, looks like you painted it. That's awesome.
Well, glad you like it. Think you look good?
Shit, yeah.
Makes a big difference on it.
Oh my God, it makes a huge difference.
Well, if you need any touch-ups or anything,
All right. Did it go pretty easily, or?
No, because like this right in this
that's
area,
what I was afraid of.
but it worked You'll see in the video later. But what I did was I took it and I formed it and then worked its way out. I put a sling here, pushed the air out. It's fine.
No, it looks fantastic.
It's actually half hour longer than I thought, but it's alright.
No, that's badass. I'll get a lot of looks on that.
Thank you.
No, thank you. All right.